Hi there, this is the lesson that you missed on November 4th. Please complete this and take a picture and upload it to me. So I'm going to read the directions to you. This top part is a little different because we have true, false, and maybe. So I'm going to give you some examples of maybe statements. So you're really going to have to pay attention. So here's a maybe statement about the picture. So if we're looking at these three boys, this is just an example, don't write in your book. Some of the boys are brothers. That may be true or it may be false. We don't know. So we would circle maybe if that was our statement. Here's another example of a statement. Again, don't circle anything in your book. Here's another maybe statement. All the boys have a sister. That may be true or it may be false. We don't know by looking at these pictures. So that would be another maybe statement. Okay, so you have to pay close attention. If we can't answer it based on the picture, then it's probably going to be a maybe. All right, so number one, this time you will circle in your book. All the boys are eating. True, false, or maybe. Again, if you need to pause the video, go ahead. So that was number one. All the boys are eating. Number two, all the boys are sitting. True, false, or maybe. All the boys are sitting. Number three, none of the boys are sitting. True, false, or maybe. None of the boys are sitting. Number four, some of the boys are sitting. True, false, or maybe for number four. Some of the boys are sitting. And then number five, some of the boys are 2 years old. True, false, or maybe. I'll give you a hint for this one. Look at their faces. Some of the boys are 2 years old. True, false, or maybe. We can kind of tell in their faces. That's your hint there. All right, so part B, we've got some pictures here. So you are going to underline the thing I'm calling a noosh. A noosh is made of metal. A noosh is a vehicle. A noosh carries many people. A noosh travels on roads. You are underlining that picture. All right, we're still on part B. The next picture you have to find. A crumber is an appliance. A crumber gets hot when you turn it on. You can pick up a crumber with one hand. Put a number 4 by that object. All right, the last one for the same box B. Diz is food. Diz comes in slices. Diz is a kind of meat. Make a box around the object I'm calling a diz. Okay? All right, part C, we've got the pig here. It's a pig picture, so we're looking at box 1. So make a box around each object that's in the same class. Again, the objects that are in the same class, put a box around it. Or the same category, same thing. All right, box 2. Circle all the objects that are made of the same material. Okay, and this kind of looks like a weird thing, like a snake or something. This is actually a belt at the top, if that helps you. So you're trying to circle all the objects that are made of the same material. All right, and then box 3, make a line under the objects that have the same parts. So the same parts. And since this is the first time we're doing this, I'll give you a hint. Underline all the things that have a handle. Okay, that's a part that's on some objects that also have a handle. So you're going to underline all the objects that have a handle. Okay, and then part D is self-explanatory. It has the directions there for you. Circle the foods. Make a box around the buildings.